This is question number 13 from the SACE Stage 2 Physics Course Companion from Subtopic 2.5 Electromagnetic Induction. Here we have a transformer. It has 2000 turns in the primary coil and 500 turns in the secondary coil. And we first need to determine whether or not it's a step down or step up transformer. Now we know that the relationship between the primary and secondary voltages and the number of turns in the primary or secondary coil is given by NP over NS equals VP over VS. Therefore, if the number of turns in the primary coil is greater than the number of turns in the secondary coil, the voltage in the primary coil is greater than the voltage in the secondary coil. So here we have that 2000 over 500 equals VP over VS. Therefore, we can work out just how much bigger the voltages are compared to each other. So 2000 divided by 500 is 4. So we have VP over VS. Therefore, the primary voltage is 4 times the secondary voltage. Therefore, this must be a step down transform because the voltage in the primary coil is 4 times as large as the voltage in the secondary coil. Therefore, step down. Now we have to calculate the output voltage if the input voltage is 240 volts. So using that same relationship, NP over NS equals VP over VS, we're trying to calculate the voltage in the secondary coil, so we can flip both sides of this expression again. So NS over NP equals VS over VP. Therefore, the voltage in the secondary coil will be NS over NP multiplied by VP, and we can substitute the numbers in again. So the number in the secondary coil was 500, primary was 2000. And the voltage in the primary coil in the question is 240. So 500 over 2000 multiplied by 240 gives 60 volts. And that's it. So that's same as the other questions. Transformer questions are generally fairly easy. The tricky part, I guess, is explaining whether or not it's step up or step down, but a good rule to remember is if the number of turns in the primary coil is greater than the number of turns in the secondary coil, then it's going to be a step down transformer. It's fairly straightforward. And yeah, the rest of it's easy, and that's it.